What are you eating? Is that a good teething biscuit? Because you chew on stuff like a puppy and you're going to try to share? What are you going to do? Ew. It's all slimy. Is that good? Leah, Mommy's going to sneeze. Achoo! Oh, did that scare you? Mommy can sneeze like Aunt Mari. Mommy gonna sneeze. Achoo! How about sneeze like Aunt Mari? You being silly. Leah. Leah. Does it scare you? Is that silly sneezes? Oh, so messy and gooey. Get it out. Little baby feet. Not so little anymore. Oh, thank you for sharing with everybody. Oh, gross. It's like staining my shirt. She stamped me. Hold on. Let go. I'm getting it. Let go. Oh, look what Mommy has. Mama. Can you say kitty? Leah. Look at Mommy. Kitty? Remember? I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. Are you smashing it into the couch? Thank you. Gross. Kitty. Say it. I'm holding it for ransom. Say kitty. Leah. Say kitty. Here. Say thank you. No. Yuckies. Yuckies. Stop hitting me with it. Oh God, you just whacked yourself in the eye. That was funny. Let's pretend it didn't hurt so we laugh. Yeah, yeah.
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 Yeah. Can you say it? Yeah! Achoo! Mommy's crazy. Only because you love those biscuits. Oh, God. It's everywhere. Good thing we have Lucy. Right? You want your bottle? Are you signing? Leah, show everybody how you say milk. Look at Leah. Milk. Look at. Hey, up here. Milk. No, not that way. Milk. Here. Yeah. Thank you. No, Mama. What? I love you. loves you. Can you say bye?
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Yeah.
Okay. See you later.